Guys, hi, I'm Subhanandi. I was born in Kolkata, studied in Rourkela, and I'm currently based out of Bangalore. I come with an industry experience of 23 years, having worked across various large, mid, and startup entities spread across India, UK, US, parts of Central Africa, and the Middle East. I started my career with data center support, managing AS400 and other Wintel servers, then moved on to network and other infrastructure support activities. My journey with structured, process driven industry best practices started way back when I was working for an entity known as Fidelity Investments. In Fidelity, I worked extensively with IT service management, information security, risk management, business continuity management, and other related areas. In those days, learning was strictly about a deep dive by yourself, exploring, and getting your hands dirty, basically. So, this profound learning helped me progress my career further, whereby I upgraded my skills to different management systems and held some responsible positions both at an IT and a business side of things. My other engagements were with companies such as eBookers, Tech Mahindra, Apnomic Systems, whereby I led and managed important business sensitive roles. I have deep rooted industry experience in quality management systems in terms of establishing all the policy framework, the mandatory procedures, supporting and defining the customer survey reports, analysis, vendor management, purchase process, establishing end-to-end project management cycle for the projects, establishing an effective root cause analysis, and to help problem management, helping organizations achieve process, people, tool maturity, and ROI, VOI, return on investment, value on investment achievement by re-engineering existing processes, making processes lean, taking away wastages, looking at other agile behaviors, techniques, and likewise. From a governance and strategy perspective, I have established information security practice from the scratch for more than a couple of organizations, aligned various strategic initiatives for the corporate with the business needs, implemented corporate level information security framework, uh, implemented COBIT for an enterprise IT governance. I've championed ISO 27001, ISO 20000, ISO 22301 implementation, and these are for the external certification when I was employed with a company known as Tech Mahindra. I have presented the compliance dashboards to the senior management for effective decision making. I have conducted and prepared due diligences and have helped organizations build on RFPs and the proposaling part. In terms of risk management and mitigation, I have conducted extensive risk assessments for corporate IT infrastructures and the IT support, IT enabled infrastructure. And I have baselined these assessments based on the guidelines of ISO 31000 and ISO 27001 controls. I have designed, performed, and monitored periodic vulnerability assessment at enterprise level using management of risk framework and various risk modeling techniques, including Octave, Mehari, and likewise. I have implemented plans to mitigate the risk based on the trend and root cause analysis of various security incidents. I have developed plans to reduce the response time for security incidents. In terms of compliance and certification, I have conducted steering committee meetings, conducted information security, IT service management, risk management, quality management training for senior management, as well as for the technical folks in the company. I have conducted ISO 27001, ISO 22301, ISO 20000 lead implementer, internal auditor trainings across multiple locations, and the lead auditor training of late. I have conducted risk based enterprise risk management strategy training based on ISO 31000 at multiple locations within India as well as outside the country. I have done hundreds of sessions on ITIL, COBIT, all within as well as outside the country. In terms of audit and assurance, I have conducted certification audit for various standards. I've conducted ISMS, ITSM, the Business Continuity Management System audits, coordinated periodic quarterly audits, have been a part of surveillance audits as well as the certifications audit. For service management systems, ITSM process integrations, I have done full-fledged process integration. I have been a part of automation of certain processes, typically the routinish processes which could be automated to increase the efficiency of the process and to make it more lean. I have re-engineered IT service management processes based on ITIL framework, and I have also mapped it to ISO 20000 requirements. I have conducted public and private trainings leading to global certifications such as ITIL, COBIT, Management of Risk, ISO 27001, ISO 22301, ISO 20000. For I've done trainings, various trainings for Prince2, Prince2 Agile, Kanban, DevOps, and likewise. In terms of my expertise from a business continuity perspective, I have established a BCP policy at organizational levels. I have identified critical business services for various business units as a part of the business impact analysis. So, and then I have established or I have evaluated and established the minimum operating level, the recovery time objective, and the recovery point objective for different business lines. I have been a part of the strategic team whereby we have tested the recovery plans to ensure that the business is always ready in times of a disaster. My core strengths are in terms of I'm pretty strong in terms of building relationship and able to communicate at all levels. I have a professional and a positive approach. I'm well versed with implementation and the auditing side of things also. I have implementation experience based on different industry best practices, and I have done implementation across small, mid, and large size organizations. I come with a problem solving and a decision making approach. I have done a lot of uh, pretty deep trainings in terms of root cause analysis, how to make RCAs more effective, how to ensure that a problem prevention is done rather than just dealing with the problem. I'm pretty well versed with risk assessment, risk treatment in terms of lean concepts, agile business expectations. For the past 10 years, I have been providing training, consulting, and advisory services pertaining to ITIL for service management, COBIT from an enterprise IT governance perspective, Prince2 from a project management perspective, ISO 20000 for IT service management, enterprise risk management using ISO 31000, information security controls implementation and audits based on ISO 27001, business continuity management using ISO 22301, and likewise. I'm also well versed with various agile methodologies such as DevOps, Lean, Kanban, Prince2, Agile Shift. So, my training methodology typically, apart from a plain vanilla training, I believe in approaching the customer to understand their problem statement or the challenges they might be facing. And my methodology is based on the fact that participants should be able to not only understand the theory but also relate to the implementation nuances around it. My training methodology makes sure that participants not only understand the theoretical aspects and align to the terminologies, which is of course important, but what I believe is more important is whatever they learned in the session, can they actually apply it at the workplace? And that's where to facilitate this, I ensure that apart from a structured courseware, I also bring in a lot of industry examples, case scenarios, and at times we do a lot of brainstorming during the training session. This is all to bring out the thinking from the participants and align those thoughts around a best practice or an industry practice. So, based on hundreds of feedbacks received from my participants from many of my esteemed customers such as IBM, Amdocs, Capgemini, Wells Fargo, Deloitte, Sutherland, and a few others, it's apparent that people find my training practical and easy to relate to, thus increasing the effectiveness of the program. I come from a school of thought where I do not believe in participants mugging up concepts and terminology and writing an exam. I enable my participants through my training in such a way that they don't need to mug up things, they will understand, which will help them implement things at their workplace, as well as if there is a certification exam around this particular training, it would also help them clear the certification exam. So, for any training assignment, I generally would like to understand the problem statement or any challenges that the organization may be facing, understand the desired outcomes from the organization stakeholder, and then I would like to work backwards to customize the program. So that's about my methodology, and that's in brief about me. I would look forward to engage with you in your learning and transformation journey and deliver value for your esteemed organization. Thank you so much for your patience hearing. Thank you.